Hello friends, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install Genesis framework on our WordPress blog and also what are the key SEO settings you need to do to create a complete website with the help of Genesis framework. Now, Genesis framework is one of the most popular, one of the most SEO friendly and one of the oldest WordPress theme framework. This framework is very much highly secure. This is my StudioPress dashboard. You can see that I have purchased few of their themes like Authority Pro, Academy Pro, and Genesis framework is the base theme for all of them. By default, if you purchase Genesis framework, you will get this Genesis sample theme also. So as a beginner, this two theme is more than enough to create a very beautiful SEO optimized WordPress website. Now let me show you few of my subdomains where I'm actually using Genesis framework. For example, this is the subdomain where I am sharing Hindi blogging content. So you can see that this is a very simple, readability wise also it is very good, highly SEO optimized, neat and clean design, nothing else. So if you are not looking for a like design kind of a thing, simple elegant type of design, then this is perfect. If I have to show you my Black Friday subdomain also, you can see that the entire website I have designed with the help of Genesis framework and Genesis Genesis sample theme. So how can we set up Genesis framework? So that I am going to show you in this video. Before that, let me show you the Genesis framework page as well from the StudioPress website. So click this. I'll share the link in the description. You can check it out there. So you can see this page where they have shared all the features of Genesis framework by Genesis package. It is showing package. Okay. So you can see that the price is around $59.95. So $60. So it's showing for around $45 because I have logged in. So for returning customer, they are giving a discount. But this is around $60 for a lifetime. You need not to pay anything, and you can upload this theme on n number of websites, unlimited websites. You can use this theme. So how can we install Genesis framework? So what you need to do, as soon as you purchase Genesis framework, you can log into your dashboard and then click on this download button. First we will download the Genesis framework, then we will download the Genesis sample theme also. Fine, both the themes has downloaded. Now let me install the theme on this dummy website. So this is a dummy website that I have created on my Bluehost shared hosting plan. Let me go to the dashboard, go to appearance, themes. So whenever you purchase a premium theme, you need to download the theme first. It will be in any kind of zip format, .zip format. Then you go to appearance and themes. By default, there will be default WordPress themes, but you will find a button called add new. Click on this add new button. Then click on this upload theme, choose file. So first we will install Genesis. Install now. So we are not going to activate it. Why? Because Genesis framework is a theme framework. You can install it. Let me activate and show you. But this will have a very basic design which may not look that much good. So on top of Genesis framework, we have Genesis child themes. Now Genesis itself will say that okay, please activate a child theme. If you check the website right now, so it will look like this. So you can see that it looks like it's broken or something. Might be some other issue. Anyway, leave it. What we will do, we will now add a child theme. So by default with Genesis framework, you will get a child theme called Genesis sample child theme. Now follow the same step. Now this time we will choose Genesis sample. Install now. Now we will activate it. So get started with Genesis sample. So by default, Genesis sample has two different types of like layouts. So if you want to install a black and white, you can install the pack. If you want to install the color one, you can install the pack. Otherwise, what will happen? Let us refresh the page. So otherwise it will have a simple like theme like that. What the way I have shown you, you can see that this is a very simple theme. So the simple look, you will get it. If you want to install any of them, you can just simply install the pack. Recommended plugins will install automatically. Some demo content will also install automatically. Then you will get a home page like this, a static home page like this. Let's then let the installation finish. So some plugins automatically installed. Now demo content. Let's refresh the page again. So you can see that a home page has created where you can do something. So if you carefully check my Black Friday subdomain, I have actually edited the same home page. You can see that the same action, call to action is already there. So I use the same home template and I have edited the template so that I can get this particular home page of my Black Friday subdomain. So now what you can do, you can simply click the edit button and you can do the changes. Okay, all done, fine. View your home page. So we already saw the home page. Now if you provide a custom home page, you need to provide a blog page. So let's see whether there is a blog page or not. So yes, there is a blog page. It's already automatically created. So in the blog page, we can see all the posts will list out here. So you can see that the theme is very simple. This is highly SEO friendly theme. This is very lightweight. Whatever content you will write on this, like this kind of theme, they will index very easily. Now there are few of the key settings that you need to do whenever you install Genesis framework. So for that, click on this customize option. In the left side, you will see theme settings. So what you can do, you can go to updates. So check for updates. You can tick this and provide your email address so that whenever any update will be available, it will take automatically. Layout settings, select site settings. So if you want content and right sidebar, then you can choose this. Left sidebar content, choose this. Full width content, then also you can choose this. So it will look like this. I'll show you. See, it will look like this. So if you want to do that, you can do this. The single pages will come like this. Okay. Then go to breadcrumbs. So you can enable the breadcrumb for the post. Come back, comments and trackbacks. Enable trackbacks. Simply uncomment it. Singular content. Show featured image. Show featured image on pages. If you want to show the featured image on a single content, you can tick this. Content archives. So this is a very important part. What you can do, you can choose entry as excerpt, display featured image. You can choose the image size, either it can be short or it can be full width image, whatever you want. Let me put this one. Image in the left side. Let's now save this. Come here and refresh. So you can see that if any image is there, it will come like this. So short, a kind of a post snippet will come here, title, image, and a little bit of description. This way it will come. You can see that. So it looks very beautiful. Like if you are trying to create a content focused website, this theme is more than enough. Now next, go back. Then footer. If you want to put anything in the footer, you can put it. Otherwise, do one thing. You simply remove from this part, footer WordPress link and footer login logout. So this is not required. You can remove this part. You will see that in the footer there is a logout option is coming. So I have removed it now. So simply refresh the page now. This is fine. Genesis sample and Genesis framework. So what you can do, instead of Genesis sample and Genesis framework, you can provide your affiliate link as well. Header footer scripts. So here you can provide it the Google Analytics code and all those things. So that's it in this video. This is very simple way you can install Genesis framework on your WordPress blog and follow these basic settings so that you can create a highly SEO optimized template. Now your blog is completely ready. You can go to the pages, whatever necessary page you want, you can keep them. Remaining pages you can simply delete them, and that's it. Yes, that's it. You can simply start focusing on creating high quality content on your blog. By default, with the theme, you can see that few about us templates will automatically come. If you go to the contact us page also, you'll see that a contact us form is automatically created because few plugins were automatically installed as we have activated the Genesis framework. If you go to the plugin and see the installed plugins, you can see that Atomic Blogs, Genesis, eNews Extended, Simple Social Icons, then WP Form Slide. These plugins is automatically installed, and with the help of those plugins, your entire blog is set up automatically. You can see that. Let me go and check. Let's go to the widget. Genesis eNews Extended. So with the help of eNews Extended, we can create an email sign up form. Simple social icons. So if you want to provide your social icons in the right sidebar, you can provide it here. So you can see that. Let's say Twitter. I put something. I'll save it. Let's come to the home page. Refresh it. You can see Twitter icon has come. So this way you can set up the blog. So all the necessary things, whatever you need, all the necessary plugins, almost all the necessary plugins, all the basic pages, and by following these settings, you can set up your complete blog with the help of this Genesis framework and Genesis sample theme. So that's all in this video. If you find this video useful, then feel free to like this video and also share this video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then feel free to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification immediately. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.